So you need a clinical rotation, and everyone keeps telling you, just start asking around. But let's be honest, that advice doesn't actually help in 2025. Finding a preceptor is still one of the hardest parts of NP school, and most students have no idea where to start. That's where preceptor matching services come in. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how to use them to your advantage. Let's start with the basics. Preceptor matching services are designed to help NP students connect with qualified clinicals and preceptors without the endless calls, ignored emails, or Facebook begging. These companies build networks of approved preceptors, nurse practitioners, physicians, PAs who are open to teaching students. They handle the outreach, the documentation, and often the school's approval process, so you can focus on what actually matters, showing up, ready to learn. But here's where it gets tricky. Not all services are built the same. Some are just directories. You pay to get a list of names, and then you're right back where you started, sending emails and hoping someone replies. Others, like NPHub, are full-service platforms, meaning the team does the matching for you. You sign up, share your location, specialty, and start date, and from there, the work is handled for you. From matching to paperwork to direct school support. So how does that actually work? Let's say your rotation deadline is 6 weeks away and you still don't have a preceptor. With NPHub, you create your profile, choose your specialty, and our system starts matching you with verified preceptors near you. Once matched, our team manages the paperwork, communicates with your preceptor, and keeps your school updated. You get full visibility and support the entire time. And the best part, you don't have to pay everything upfront. NPHub offers flexible payment plans, so you can secure your spot without the financial stress. Plus, all placements are backed by a replace and refund guarantee, which means if something falls through, you're covered. Now let's talk about something people rarely mention. Paying for a rotation isn't about privilege. It's about peace of mind. You're not wasting weeks cold calling clinics or risking delayed graduation. You're choosing control. You're choosing to graduate on time. So if you're comparing preceptor matching services, here's what to look for. Do they offer school approval support? Are their prices transparent and clearly explained? How fast can they start your search? Some services take weeks. With NPHub, matching can begin the same day you sign up. And if you've been struggling through this process, hear this. Asking for help isn't a weakness. It's a smart decision. It means you value your time, your education, and your peace of mind. At NPHub, we've helped over 10,000 NP students across the country to find rotations that actually work. Not because they couldn't do it alone, but because they shouldn't have to. So if your deadline's coming up or you're ready to stop guessing, go to nphub.com and start your search today. Because your journey to becoming an NP deserves structure, support, and less stress.